Good morning everyone. I am Anupara, serving as Organizing Committee Member for IRSD 2025. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome one and all to the 15th International Conference on Interdisciplinary Research for Sustainable Development. IRSD 2025 is an international forum which provides the most coveted interdisciplinary research platform to address the vital issues pertaining to all areas of sustainability. The conference is providing valuable platform for researchers, academicians, managers, educationalists, environmentalists and entrepreneurs to congregate and share their findings, ideas, scientific knowledge and new techniques or applications about latest developments in their respective domain for sustainable development. At IRSD, we are committed to provide a sought-after platform to recognize the remarkable contributions of researchers, educators, engineers, academic leaders, editors, publishers, and institutions in their respective fields. IRSD 2025 is being organized by Green Thinkers India and International Institute of Organized Research, that is I2OR India, in association with Jamia Hamdard, New Delhi, India, Spoken Tutorial, IIT Bombay, Centre for Modern Construction, Western Sydney University, Australia, Sustainable Cosmos, Elsevier's Mendeley and Global Institute of Education and Research, that is GIER. It is time to begin our next session. We would like to recognize prominent individuals for their outstanding work in their respective fields. The awards were instituted by the Green Thinkers Society India in 2016 during IRSD 2016. Since its inception, we have received thousands of nominations for the ENVID Awards. It is the 15th edition of these coveted awards and till date, 700 plus awards have been bestowed by the organization to recognize the exemplary work of individuals and organizations across the globe. Let us continue to celebrate excellence and inspire future generations of innovators and leaders.
Our first awardee is Professor Dr. Nishta Rana. Our next awardee is Avik Sanyal. Our next awardee is Professor Dr. Dilipa S. Hari. Our next awardee is Dr. Yogesh Kumar. Our next awardee is Professor Dr. Amrut Sadashiv Lanje. Our next awardee is Dr. Preeti Sharma. Our next awardee is Dr. Savitha V. Our next awardee is Dr. R. Minaha. Our next awardee is Dr. Sudhir Ramdas Prasakar. Our next awardee is Dr. Shashank Degadwala. Our next awardee is Professor Shailash Panchal. Our next awardee is Dr. Bodireddy Rama. Our next awardee is Professor Dr. Rakesh Goel. Our next awardee is Dr. Pratibha Chidanand Kaladeep Yalagi. Our next awardee is Vishal Kumar Sunil Bhai Patel. Our next awardee is Dr. Shikha Gupta. Our next awardee is Shilpa K.P. Our next awardee is Dr. Poonam. Our next awardee is Paramjeet Kaur. Our next awardee is Dr. Samudrala Prasantha Kumari. Our next awardee is Dr. Sadanandam Gulapelli. Our next awardee is Jesse Julian. Our next awardee is Sanya Srivastava. Our next awardee is Kritika Nagia. Our next awardee is Engineer Sri Kumar Pillai. Our next awardee is Dr. S. Pramila. Our next awardee is Dr. Nimish Pandit. Our next awardee is Dr. Menaka S. Our next awardee is Dr. A. Thavaraj. Our next awardee is Dr. Gangaram Mandaloi. Our next awardee is Dr. Sajia Iraq. Our next awardee is Rajesh Sura. Our next awardee is Dr. Samurothu VGVA Prasad. Our next awardee is Dr. Gurpreet Singh. Our next awardee is Dr. Tania Wadhwa. Our next awardee is Professor Sujit Gopal Patel. Our next awardee is Dr. Divakar Ramanuj Tripathi. Our next awardee is Dr. Neeraj Bansal. Our next awardee is Dr. Mandeep Kaur Sandhu. Our next awardee is Dr. Rudraroop Gupta. Our next awardee is Dr. Anupam Sharma. Our next awardee is Professor Aditya Nivas Mangdum. Our next awardee is Professor Anil Kumar Sharma. Our next awardee is Dr. S. Pakya Lakshmi. Our next awardee is Dr. Mukesh Kumar. Our next awardee is Nitesh Bhatt. Our next awardee is Dr. Sajid Mahmood. Our next awardee is Dr. Radha Ranjan. Our next awardee is Amar A. Shinde. Our next awardee is Dr. S. Suganthi. Our next awardee is Dr. Zahra Khatun Zaidi. Our next awardee is Dr. Ram Kumar Pundir. Our next awardee is Dr. Dipendra Nath Pathak. Our next awardee is Dr. S. Perumal. Our next awardee is Dr. Parambir Singh Mali. Our next awardee is Varsha Sharma. Our next awardee is Dr. Sonal Pathak. Our next awardee is Dr. Shavanam. Our next awardee is Ram Babu Nalagandala. Our last awardee is Dr. Prabhudev M.S.
So all good things comes to an end. On behalf of I2OR, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the award winners. We look forward to meet you again virtually on Teachers' Day, that is 5th September 2025. As we are holding Global Edu-Conclave 2025, important links regarding the same are given in the description. Thank you everyone for joining us today.